Good morning, my chemists. Today we are going to be working on this crap test. What? Yes, the crap test. So I need you to have your IGSY chemistry course opened up, and we're going to go to Unit 1, and we're going to look in this scientific debate information. I might move this folder. It kind of doesn't make sense where it is right now. So we'll get that going. Go ahead and open up your crap prep work. All right, two things I need you to do. I need you to click this first link. Go ahead and have it in a tab opened and ready to go. And then you're going to click, remember mine says in progress, but yours is going to say my document. Go ahead and open that document and it's going to look like this tab over here. Pause me if you need to. All right, so basically, you all have been challenged to gather information for your debate. But the important part of finding information for your debate is determining if your resources are actually quality resources. Wow. So, what you're going to use is this test called the CRAP test. Now, it's not literal CRAP. CRAP stands for currency, reliability, authority, and purpose or point of view. These four qualities determine if you have a good source. So, over here, we're going to go through source number 7. So, go ahead and click source 7, and it's going to open up a beautiful article here. We're going to use this test to determine if this is a good resource or not. The first question says, how recent is the information? Looking on this document, we can see that it was published in June of 2000. So we're going to place our answer here. And that is not a good thing. We want articles that were published at least within the last 7 years, okay? So a good article would have been published by 2014. So this is actually going to be in our questionable category. Okay, so we're going to put an X in the questionable box. The next thing we're going to look at is how recently has the website been updated? Well, this article came from the Minnesota House of Representatives. So let's see if we can figure out when their website was last updated. All right. Let's see. Do we see anything? I see something about it being published in October of 2021. That's pretty good. Oops, I put this in the wrong box. All right, so when was last updated? That's October, which is before, which is like in the future, which is crazy. But we're gonna put September because that's weird. September 2021. That is a great thing. Is this current enough for your topic? Okay, so our topic that we picked is racial profiling. I'm sorry if I did not clarify that, but source 7 falls under the racial profiling issue in the United States, which is a very current and present topic. Let's see if this is current enough for our project. It says 2000. I would argue that that's pushing it. So we're going to actually put that in the questionable. All right. So it's not actually current enough. All right. Next up is reliability. What kind of information is included in the resource? Well, just by looking at this content list, I'm going to delete this here. Just by looking at this content list, we can see that it lists so many different things. We have levels of police discretion, broken windows versus community policing. We have a data collection, that's good. We have research methodologies, which will give us a summary and defining what they did. So we have their results. We have reasons for the stop is mentioned. We also have what else is mentioned? Okay, there's several different things we have mentioned here. So you need to add a third one that you find in this list. And these are all good things. As various different things are mentioned. So this is a good thing. Next up is the content of the resource primarily opinion. Is it balanced? This is not opinion. This is research based. Okay, they did an actual research, as you can see right here, and reported their results. So this is research based. This is not an opinion article. That is a good thing. Does the creator provide references or sources for data? Let's see. Oh, wow. I see so many references. Yes. Now asks about quotes. Let's see. Yep, there's a quote right there. That is a great thing. Authority. Now, listen clearly. The authority portion of any source counts as twice as much importance as every other category. So this counts twice as much. All right. So who is the creator slash author? Let's go up to the top right here. We have Jim Cleary, legislative analyst. All right. And that's actually going to be his credentials. That is a good thing. So we're going to put 2 X's in that box because we can locate the author. If we couldn't locate who wrote it, that kind of feels a little creepy. So that wouldn't be very good. So we have 2 X's because authority counts for twice. What are their credentials? Well, this is a legislative analyst. That's a great thing. That means that they have experience in this topic. Who is the publisher slash sponsor? Oh, well, here we go right here. The Minnesota House of Representatives Research Department. That's a good thing. Okay. Are they reputable? Yes. Literally, their job is to research. What is the publisher's interest in this information? The Minnesota House of Representatives has a buy-in as far as racial profiling is concerned. Let's think about it. The House of Representatives is responsible for passing laws. So they do have interest in racial profiling. Their interest is they are a public entity responsible for public safety. All right. And this means that that's a good thing because they want to make sure they're reporting facts. Are there advertisements on the website? Let's go check it out. Ads. I'm not seeing any ads. That's also a good thing. No ads. Great thing. Purpose or point of view, fact or opinion. I would say let's look and see. I would say that this is mostly opinion. I meant mostly fact because it is research based. All right, and then it says, is it biased? Take a few minutes to read this section, varying viewpoints on racial profiling. Just read down to page 9 right here and answer what you feel is best. Is it biased? So pause. Great. Are they trying to sell us something? This means like, are they trying to get you to buy a product? And the answer here is no, they're not. And that is a good thing. So let's count up our tallies. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And it depends on your biased answer. But for me, I have 18. Oops. Oh my goodness. I have 18 goods. I have 2 questionables. That is a good thing. That means that this source is reliable and that this source is not crap. Okay? So what I want you to do now is go ahead and submit this document.